Hi, this video is going to cover warehouse settings. From the menu, click on Inventory, click Warehouses. Once you're into the warehouse, you'll have your overall warehouse dashboard. The notice up top is going to prompt for you that you have no products available in this warehouse. And there's going to be a link to visit your warehouse settings. You can follow this link or go over to the menu and click on Warehouse Settings. Once you're on the settings page, you'll notice the same import process for your product manager. This will be covered in a future video on how to start that import process of your products. First, you want to start off on filling out your warehouse information. You can click on any of these fields to open up the drawer, or you can access that same quick edit menu by going to the menu, clicking on Edit Info. You want to fill out your warehouse name, email, phone, and address. You can include any description. You can choose to set up a bin prefix. This makes it easier for when you're creating your bins. It'll automatically add this default prefix for you. You'll fill out your warehouse type, if this is virtual or a physical location. And you'll pick if it's a receiving warehouse, yes or no. Your main warehouse, where all your on-hand product are, will generally be a yes to be able to receive any POs through your main warehouse location, while vans are generally going to be no, because all your products should be coming from your default main warehouse. Once those are configured, the next step is setting up those bins. Since we already created the prefix, go over to the menu, click on Add New Bin. You can see here our prefix is already defaulted. So from here, you can just click on what you want to add and go ahead and save that. You can create as many bins as you want. Once you're done, just close out the modal. And you can see here our prefix has been added with our new bin numbers. Anything that needs to be deleted, just use the trash can icon to take out those bins. And finally, the last step is your employee setup tied to the warehouse settings. Go over to the menu, click on Add Users. Pick from the drop-down the employee that you want to add to this warehouse or van. You can choose to check all settings for the warehouse or individually check each. We give permissions to be able to manage the overall warehouse and the settings, being able to add or edit the inventory within that warehouse or van, transfer inventory in or out of that van as well, being able to receive POs, make any inventory adjustments, or add and edit to the product request page. So each employee should be configured per warehouse and van of what they will and will not have access to. Thank you for watching Warehouse Settings.